You are in the United States pursuing your college education as an international student. You heard about the Student and Exchange Visitors Programs Fall 2020 COVID-19 Guidance, which was announced on July 6, 2020. You wonder about whether you may continue staying and studying in the United States. Hi, I'm Jae Francis Lee. I'm immigration attorney in Chicago, Schaumburg, Illinois, and Madison, Wisconsin. I am also a college professor and first-generation immigrant. Today, I'm going to discuss how to navigate the Fall 2020 F1 visa guidance. What is F1 visa for USA? The new guidance is applicable to all F1 and M1 visa students living in the United States and overseas. In order to stay and study in the United States, international students must follow strict guidelines regarding their coursework in the United States. Before COVID-19, international students were required to take full-time credit hours in order to remain active studies in the Student Exchange Visa Information System, known as SEVP. They were allowed to take one class or 3 credit hours online per semester. Can international students take online classes in the United States? Under the new guideline, international students attending universities offering all classes in person are allowed to take one class or 3 credit hour online. They still need to take classes full-time to remain active studies in SEVP. Can international students take hybrid courses? Under the new guideline, international students attending universities offering a mixture of online and in-person classes are allowed to stay and study in the United States. They may take more than one class or 3 credit hours online, but not allowed to take all classes online. What problems do international students taking online classes face due to COVID-19? Under the new regulation, international students attending universities not offering in-person classes will not be allowed to stay and study in the United States. If they are currently in the United States, they need to return to home countries or transfer to university that offer either in-person or hybrid classes. Otherwise, international students may be put into a removal proceeding by U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement. If they are currently overseas, they would not be able to come and study in the United States this fall. While they are overseas, they may remain in active studies in SEVP if they take online classes full-time and come back when universities offer in-person or hybrid courses. Can international students take ESL classes online? Even before the new guideline, F1 students were not allowed to take any online English as a second language course. In order to maintain a status, ESL students must take all classes in person. Can F1 students apply for green card? The most common and fast option would be to get married to U.S. citizen spouse and start a green card through marriage process. If you can find a qualified and willing U.S. employer, you may pursue an employment-based green card option. Contact experienced immigration attorney if you'd like to find a way to stay in the United States. Stay safe and be well, Francis Law Center. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.